I'm going on an airplane to California. I'm gonna go meet Aiden and my grandma and my aunt, and it's gonna be PogChamp. We're at airport. See? Poggers. There's a lot of people here. What do you think about it? No, come on, what do you think about it?
That's a thing already.
Okay, so I wanted you to say PogChamp.
Oh, it's PogChamp.
Yeah, there you go. There's people. There's so many people here. PogChamp, this is PogChamp. This is...
I can see your mouth.
Can you see my mouth?
Yeah.
Wow. This is PogChamp. Charlie Slimesicle. Don't... we're going to security. Oh, look at that. Look at I'm upside down right now.
We're just like Australians.
Wait.
Oh,
like a crowd.
Wait.
That is upside down.
Yes, there's...
We're just like Australia.
We are just like Australia. That's her forehead. I have a big forehead and a massive that.
You're gonna need to clip some of this, buddy.
I'm not clipping any of it.
Give my nose.
My nose is hot. I'm getting on the airplane. I'm getting on the airplane. And my headphones. Are you ready to get on the airplane? Are you ready to get on the airplane?
Yes.
Also, this is my sister.
None
of my viewers know that. No, I have like 17. I have like 20 subscribers. The only person who probably... No, the only person who probably knows who you are is Aiden. Aiden, look it, we're on an airplane. Watch it, we're on the bridge.
I have a Steve Rogers bear.
Steve Rogers bear. We're on the bridge. I love...
You posted part of your video?
No, not yet. I'm recording.
No, Corey.
Oh yeah, I did a Volson. Yeah. The series I'm making.
I always pull it up and it looks really funny.
PogChamp. We're on an airplane. We do be on an airplane, though. Look at that. It's the wing and the mountain. PogChamp. And we are actually in the Southwest right now. Nope. I'm in the airplane bathroom right now. It's loud, and the airplane is moving very fast. And I've realized that if the airplane is moving, and I can't, if I urinate, I'll urinate all over my leg because the airplane is moving. And I've got a massive zit on my forehead. I literally can't. I'm gonna freaking... This is gross. It's very small. I'm gonna do it in an Obama voice. Michelle, if this airplane does not stop moving, I'm going to urinate on my leg. Michelle. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna freaking die. We're landing. I don't know. Wait, where's the mic? We're landing. See? Wow. That's a lot of water. It's beautiful. Freaking. I love Jesus. I'm on a train. Look at that. We're going to see Aiden, the A-man.
It's right here.
Aiden.
This is really hard not to pull.
This is giving me PTSD from Atlanta.
This does feel like exactly the same.
It's because it's a train.
It is because
In an airport.
with Disney.
Well, I'm fine.
When Disneyland doesn't let us in, so we gotta improvise.
We have to improvise. We have to go to Georgia. And I do not regret going to Georgia. It was beautiful. I'm with the boy. We're driving to Napa.
And I just use a public bathroom I just used a public bathroom at Carl's Jr. in Sacramento, and I want to die.
This is so sad. We're driving. Yup. Wait. Oh, among us. Oh, sassy. Voodoo. Wait. Among us. Among us. Oh my god. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum. I don't know how to do the trap remix. Oh.
Why is my name that? Oh, me and my friend were doing a stroll where we were gonna we were gonna go and Bobby's boyfriend needed, and we were gonna go on Discord. It'd be like, why are you pedophile?
Why are you pedophile? This is the most like rugged terrain ever. It is so mountainous. I can't believe we're driving through it. We're gonna die. It's so dangerous. This terrain is M. It's M. Yes. This is the most M mountains I've ever seen. There actually is mountains somewhere. I don't know where they are, but they're here. There's some cars. They're gonna think I'm stalking them. That's an M moment. We're going on the swings at my grandma's house because we have nothing better to do. Move. Wait. Ready? This is a little awkward.
I'm
Ready?
falling.
Hold on. Okay. Hey guys, it's me, Carson Erks. Make sure to you can like and subscribe if you want. I'm not forcing anybody. Wait, I'm gonna turn that way.
But the YouTube algorithm says only 90.
And make sure you're subscribed because YouTube's been unsubscribing people. There's a glitch going around. There's a glitch. Okay. There's Aiden. The back of his head. Are you good? Okay. No, you've got to help. Help me swing. Are you okay?
No.
What is happening to you? What? I thought you were just making that. Do you have your legs over the thing? That's not. Here, go on it. And I'm gonna push you. Wee. Pee pee.
Funny.
Did I kick you?
Yes.
Almost.
No.
Does that hurt when I do that? Does it hurt when I do that?
Kind of.
Wait. Here we go. Go. Bye, Aiden.
Hi, Carson. You know what? This is fine.
This is fine. It's how one of us dies. Look at those trees, though. They're big. Look at that. They're red. They're redwoods.
No, it's just a red.
We're in the city of American Canyon, a little suburb of Napa.
All right, I'll time it.
Die. I just barely caught that. You just died. Going on this swing. It's really cold. Hi. Oh Lord. Oh. Hi, Aiden. That we are like children right now. I'm vlogging us on swings. I'm a teenager. I'm not saying my age though, because then creepy men will come. I'll just say I'm a minor. You look like you're 46 years old. Ouchie. I'm gonna stand. Do what? Wait. Yeah. That does literally nothing. I hope you know that is doing nothing. Wow. And then I go. And then I go. And then I go. It's cold out here, dude. I think I want to go inside and drop off my stuff. Here's my camera, because I'm a photographer. And Aiden Price is a
Gamer.
wait. Look at me again. Just look at me. Ready? Wait. Stay there. Don't move. I mean, I do as well. Aiden, let's go inside. We're in the trees. There's Aiden. It's freaking. Oh my gosh, it's windy. We're up on a hill. These are some big trees. This reminds me of when we went to the Great Pressure. Remember at Vista Point Park and you died? Yes. Yeah, that was funny. My mom took a picture of me. Oh, look at the freaking... Wow. I'm gonna kill the tree. Can you kill the tree? Okay, record. Look at all the bark. What in the world? All of this is just bark that just fell off. This is... Wow, he just killed this tree. This massive tree. There were so many pictures. What do you have there? What is that? What is that? It's your... Also, that's a... Wait, go stand by that. Just like kind of near it for a size comparison. This is what the bottom of these trees. That's how big they are. Okay, well they look like beech trees. That's a big tree. There's Aiden. Aiden.
I have a big tree.
These are big trees. Yeah, throw it. Throw it. Woo! That was so epic.
Don't leave it the road though.
Here he comes. I got a big stick as well. It's my walking stick. Yeah, I can't. That's his walking stick. We're going to the Westwood Hills now, which is just more forest. Okay, that was great. What? Wait, what? What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop it. The trees. Aiden. Wait, is it on? Wait, is the thing on?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, God. Look at these trees. He's on YouTube.com looking for a video. Look at these trees, though. Oh, my Lord. Wait, I'm going over here. You can't really hear it because all the cars. You can't even see it. Put this man to the... Hi. Are you recording?
Yes. He's gonna take a piss. He's gonna take a piss. Okay.
No.
Okay, I'll cut that part out.
Actually,
Okay. Yes. Oh no. Oh no. Hi. Okay. Okay. Oh wait, I have to go to the bathroom now. Oh no. Minecraft speed be like.
There he is. He's struggling. He's struggling. He's struggling. Okay. What? Go on the side that I came down on. That one. Your butt is so dirty. Wait, do that again. This is so funny. Oh, I don't know if you can do that. Oh my god. No, what are you gonna do? Boys, I'm on a hill. It is very, it is really freaking scary. Oh, there's my hand. I'm in the, that is a really big fall. Look how far away Aiden is. I'm gonna die. We're in the bathroom at...
Wait, I'm in a public bathroom at downtown. I'm in a public bathroom. Restart.
Wait, no, okay, go.
I'm in a public bathroom. I'm in a public bathroom.
Look up. Wait, ready? Look it just keeps going. Just keeps going. You didn't even make it. It is so tall. I'm in a public bathroom in downtown Napa, and I want to die.
Yes.
We're just washing hands. Don't worry. We're not like peeing. Cause... Oh, it wasn't even closed. Oh, you can't lock it. Okay, fine. There I am. I look great. No, okay. Be happy. No. There's Aiden. The river. There he is. No. There's people. There. No. No. Let's just admire the duck. The gulls. The ducks. The water is moving very fast. Okay, Aiden. Here it comes. It's gone. It went right over. No, it's in the bush. You didn't pound it hard enough. What are your thoughts on this situation?
I want to cry.
Okay. It's just like when he went to the Arby's or the Carl's Jr. bathroom in Sacramento.
And public bathroom. I want to die.
Yes. It's the river. And Aiden. But the ducks, the gull, seagull, and duck.
I'll go like this. I'll land in the water. Go, alright?
Okay. It didn't land in the water. It didn't land in the water. There's a bridge. And the mountains and stone brewing. Yeah. Wow. Tell me, what are your thoughts on pizza? No. No. What are your thoughts on shrimp? Okay. What's your thoughts on hamburger? Okay. Great to know. I'm just gonna